So the torus or toroidal shape, it's really weird. As the bit rotates around its axis like this, it's also rotating around its axis like this. So it's rotating in two different ways, this way and then this way. And that leads to some pretty weird physical things going on. As I lower the bit, you can see that it's going to hit the workpiece at a certain point. Where it first contacts it will be when the bit is in this vertical position. But then as the bit rotates, this outer tip here is going to swing down and hit it, and it's going to change the radius that it cut. So as you lower the bit, the radius moves outward, and it makes a shape that is a torus, which can be visualized as an inner tube. If you were to take a bicycle inner tube and blow it up and look at it in 3 dimensions, the top of the inner tube if you were to look at a side view like this, and then it's going around in a circle like that, and here's the center of the inner tube. The bit first hits in this position, but as the bit drops, it starts to hit in this position, and it moves the radius out. So it's easy to go over the 3/8 inch cut line if you're not being careful. So you have to start about maybe 1/8 of an inch prior to the cut line and then sneak up on it. The full diameter of the bit is reached when the bit is buried halfway into the material that you're cutting. So this would be 1/2 the diameter of the bit, right? This being the bit as it spins. So in order to sneak up on the diameter properly, you have to lower the bit to half its depth in the workpiece and then sneak up on the cut line. Okay, and that's what it took me a long time to figure out. So that's what I'm going to start doing now. I'm going to lower the bit halfway into the workpiece. You can see that it's shy of the cut line right there. And as I lower it, I'll sneak up on it. But very importantly, I'll sneak up on the cut line by tapping the board into the bit. The diameter on the bit is set, and I don't want to change that until I cut the outer diameter. That's where I'm going to spin the knob in the back here and push the bit out to this outer diameter.